guys, thanks for joining us for episode 2 of our big road trip. You can start a big trip with a dirty van, so first thing on the list, car wash. Pete takes this job very seriously. Elliot and I are hiding in the van while Pete is scrubbing it from top to bottom. It's not easy washing a 2.8 meter tall van, so awesome job, Pete. Now we're all clean and shiny and ready to take on the world. But let's have lunch by the water first, you can't travel on an empty stomach. After a quick catch up with friends and workmates, we arrived in the evening at one of our favorite spots, the Kuponuk Forest Campground. Mama Pav packed us some homemade biscuits before we left, so that was our dinner, we'll never grow up. Next morning, we finally got the peace and serenity we needed to feel normal again after the last crazy couple of months we had. The morning was just glorious. After relaxing in the forest for a couple of days, we felt ready to move on. We landed in a town called Q, where we discovered something really unexpected. It was such a beautiful day. Everyone was just chilling by the beach, watching the surfers work their magic on the water. Back in the van, it was time for a healthy snack. At least someone's eating the vegetables. Carrots are actually one of Elliot's favorite snacks. Next stop, the famous Byron Bay. We've been here so many times over the years, and one of our favorite spots is called the farm, just outside of town. It's a working farm, plant nursery and market garden with tours, a restaurant and the best bakery ever. While Pete is chatting up the bakery girls, Elliot and I are admiring the beautiful plants and flowers outside. What did you get, Pete? Show us.
Sorry?
Show us what you got.
No.
Yeah.
Last two.
Yeah. Oh, so good. Hey. After a lovely morning at the farm, we walked around Byron Bay, as we always do, checking out what's new, checking out the people, the shops, and always ending up at the beach.